second meeting between the Warriors and Houston. Poole dropping it off to Looney. Puts it up and in.
It doesn't necessarily change. It's just a little easier playing it out as Draymond knocks down a three.
Gets a 2-3. Porter Jr. missing there, and Wiggins running it back. And Wiggins laying it up and in. And Martin Jr. gets denied by Draymond. Outlet to Steph. Wiggins runs to the right wing three, and he got it.
Draymond Green made KJ Martin in the air, which is not easy to do.
Jordan Poole, 7 made threes last night, and a nice beginning for the Warriors here. And Looney backing out. And Şengün was the 16th pick in 2021. Now OKC took him and moved him immediately to Houston. And young guys, they turn their heads all the time. Jordan Poole, nice reach back finish there. Steph, deep three. And Curry, not easy to average 20 in the NBA. Looney, a couple fake handoffs, and then, I mean, 3 moves and then the perfect cold-blooded 3 with the left hand. Curry, another JaMychal Green screen.
Again, the movement without the ball. And JaMychal Green gets the
Green, come on. What a sweet move there. Moody has to launch a deep 3. Nice touch pass. Moody. Poole walks into it. Now made 9 of his last 15. Wiggins. Head of the key 3. Poole another 3. Guided home.
They're all focused on offensive rebounds.
Wiggins. Draymond assist. Poole driving. Oh, no look to Kuminga.
Showtime. That was some magic.
Is a very good three-point shooter. That's what he does best. Wiggins hits a 3.
Let's go back to Wiggins in the post.
There it is. And it'll go away. How about a 1-2-2 zone look, forcing the turnover. And the push ahead, Jordan. Foot race with Şengün. And he's able to spike it down.
Oh, he's loving that one. Looking at the bench.
And it deflected to Draymond. He didn't make the layup, but Wiggins carries on and down. Get the quick free one right there to Poole. They scored so quickly that you can't quite freeze it out. Steph with a step back 3.
That's handle. Turn the burners on. Even Looney wasn't ready.
The Warriors switch to go to the center and let him go to work.
Şengün's got game.
Draymond to Wiggins. Little tic-tac-toe. Curry spinning, floating, finishing. To do everything, a guy said. Quickness of Green. Yeah. Definitely landed funny. Wiggins 3. Steph grinding back on defense, but to watch his mobility. Wiggins with the bailout 3. Brilliant! I'd like to think the shooting is unsustainable, but
Shooting 2 for 20 from 3.
Warriors 17 of 36 on threes. Oh, I spoke to Cena 37. Steph gets Garuba on a switch and launches the 3 right through and was turning around and walking back into a Houdini move there. What was Station Knicks feed? Feel good. Poole working on Matthews. Draymond tipped it to Kuminga. Moody in open corner 3. Warriors 2 of 10 here in the 4th, but they just keep launching 3s. But that guy can shoot 3s. Well, you went out to the Warriors. Moody 3. Okay. Jalen Green's been a volume shooter tonight. Yeah. He hits the floor of 50. Curry's got 27. Wiggins 3. A new career best. 9 threes for Wiggins. 25 for the Dubs. Just the best shooter we've ever seen. Curry dropping in another trip. Got 30 for 30 tonight. What is Moody doing? As he hits a foul line jumper, Moses Moody's got 11 on 4 of 5 shooting. And Ty Jerome. Together. I guess
Looney's the yin to the Warriors yang.
Jerome right down the lane. Warriors 25 8 3s, 8 by Steph, 8 by Wiggins. 25 for the Dubs. 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 25 for the Dubs And Steven Silas' team is going to be heard from. Man, they got a lot of talents, and they play awfully hard. And those are two guys with a lot of respect for each other.